Hi, I'm Kathleen Reel from BeFreeForMe.com, and today we're going to be making a gluten-free rump roast. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to start with an approximate 3-pound rump roast put into a shallow baking pan. You're also going to need a half a cup of gluten-free panko crumbs, 6 garlic cloves minced, 1½ tablespoons of fresh rosemary chopped, a tablespoon of black pepper, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, you're going to combine the panko, the garlic, rosemary, black pepper, and the olive oil. And you're going to combine. And you want to make sure that you really get it combined well so that the panko crumbs are completely mixed in well with the olive oil and there's no dry panko crumbs left. Next, you're going to take the panko crumbs and encrust the rump roast. Now this is going to be a herb encrusted rump roast, which is really fragrant when you're cooking it, and it's delicious. And these gluten-free panko crumbs, make sure they're gluten-free. There's a lot of panko crumbs out there, but they do make gluten-free ones, and you can find them normally in a regular supermarket. And if a little bit of the crumbs gets onto the pan, that's okay. They'll just be incorporated with the drippings. Now we've preheated an oven to 350 degrees. We're going to cook this for about 1.5 to 2 hours, according to how you like your roast done. So there we go, it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, so your oven is now preheated at 350 degrees. We're going to put it in right on the middle rack there, and we're going to cook it for about 1.5 to 2 hours. I like to check mine after 1.5 hours because I like my roast medium rare, but check it after 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and take it out when it's done the way that you like it. Okay, so it's been 1.5 hours. The house smells delicious, and my gluten-free herb encrusted rump roast looks like it's done. So let's see how it looks. Oh, that looks delicious. It's great for a dinner party, but it's easy enough to do on a regular work day. And that is how you make a gluten-free herb encrusted rump roast. I'm Kathleen Reel, founder of BeFreeForMe.com, your source of savings, sampling, and sharing, gluten and allergen free. Dig in.